Hello and welcome. It is a true delight to have you with us on World Explorer. Today we embark on an incredible journey to the Sahara Desert, one of the largest and most famous deserts on Earth. When most people think of the Sahara, they imagine endless golden sand dunes shimmering beneath the relentless desert sun. This iconic landscape is defined by its extreme dryness, where only the toughest desert plants and animals can survive. But beneath the surface, the Sahara hides an astonishing secret about its ancient past. The story of the Sahara's transformation will completely change how you see this vast desert. What if I told you that the Sahara Desert was once covered by a massive ancient ocean? It's a remarkable fact that surprises many people. Deep beneath the Sahara's sand, scientists have discovered evidence of a dramatic desert transformation. We're about to uncover a chapter of Earth's history that feels almost unbelievable. Let's travel back millions of years to a time when the Sahara was a thriving, watery world full of ancient ocean life. Get ready to see the Sahara Desert in a whole new way as we reveal its most incredible secret, its transformation from ocean to desert. The truth is, vast areas of today's Sahara were once submerged beneath the waves of a mighty ancient ocean. This was not just a small lake, but a sprawling saltwater sea that covered much of North Africa. Imagine looking out over the Sahara and seeing an endless blue ocean instead of sand dunes, a true ancient ocean transformation. This ancient sea, known as the Tethys Sea, was once connected to the world's oceans and teemed with marine life. It's hard to believe, but the evidence of this ancient ocean in the Sahara is undeniable. Fossils of ancient sea creatures are still being discovered beneath the Sahara's sands. The shifting sands of the Sahara are actually a geological record of its transformation from ocean to desert. Every grain of sand tells a story, revealing the Sahara's ancient ocean history and its dramatic changes over time. The Sahara's story is not just about sand and sun, but about water, life, and the incredible transformation of a desert that was once an ocean. This is a powerful reminder that our planet is always changing, and the Sahara's transformation is one of Earth's greatest stories. By exploring the Sahara's ancient ocean secrets, we can better understand the incredible history written in the sands of our world. How do we know that the Sahara Desert was once an ancient ocean? The transformation of the Sahara from a vast sea to the world's largest hot desert is revealed by the land itself. The secrets of the Sahara's ancient ocean are locked within its rocks and sands, waiting to be uncovered. Teams of scientists and paleontologists braving the intense African sun have uncovered a wealth of evidence about the Sahara's dramatic transformation. Fossils, preserved remains of ancient marine life, tell the story of the Sahara's oceanic past. These are not fossils of desert animals, but of marine creatures that could only have lived in a thriving ancient ocean. The Sahara Desert is a unique natural history museum, preserving echoes of its transformation from ocean to desert. Some of the most astonishing discoveries are the fossilized skeletons of giant marine reptiles. Imagine finding the remains of a mosasaur, a massive sea lizard over 15 meters long, right in the heart of the Sahara Desert. These mosasaurs were apex predators, dominating the ancient ocean that once covered the Sahara. Alongside them, scientists have found fossils of plesiosaurs, known for their long, elegant necks, and the remains of ancient sea turtles as large as small cars, evidence of a rich marine ecosystem. These fossil discoveries paint a vivid picture of the Sahara's transformation from a bustling ancient ocean to the silent desert we see today. It's not just the giant fossils that reveal the Sahara's oceanic past. Smaller fossils are equally important in understanding the desert's transformation. Across the Sahara, especially in Egypt's Valley of the Whales, Wadi al-Hitan, the ground is covered with ancient seashells and fossilized shark teeth, clear evidence of a prehistoric sea. Delicate spiral ammonite fossils, ancient relatives of the nautilus, are perfectly preserved in the desert rock. These intricate marine fossils are undeniable proof of the Sahara's saltwater origins. They show that the ancient seafloor teemed with life, from tiny mollusks to powerful marine predators, all part of a complex food web in the ancient ocean that became the Sahara Desert. These ancient fossils connect us directly to the Sahara's prehistoric past. Each fossil is a clue, helping scientists reconstruct the ancient ocean's ecosystem and the Sahara's transformation. The types of fish, the species of shells, and the chemical makeup of the rocks reveal details about the temperature, depth, and salinity of the ancient sea that once covered the Sahara. The Sahara Desert is far from empty. It is filled with the silent stony remnants of an ancient ocean, ghosts of a world that vanished millions of years ago, leaving behind the story of the Sahara's incredible transformation. The Sahara Desert, now the world's largest hot desert, was once covered by an ancient ocean. But what caused this dramatic desert transformation? How did the Sahara shift from a vibrant, life-filled ancient ocean to the vast arid landscape we see today? The answer lies in powerful geological forces and climate change, which shaped the Sahara's transformation over millions of years. The Earth's crust is made of tectonic plates that are always moving, slowly but surely driving the evolution of continents and oceans. Over vast stretches of time, these tectonic shifts caused the African continent to drift and rise, altering the region's geography. As the landmass lifted, the ancient Tethys Sea gradually retreated, exposing what would become the Sahara's dry plains. This geological shift marked the beginning of the Sahara's transformation from ocean to desert. As the ancient ocean receded, the climate of North Africa changed dramatically, accelerating the desertification process. Global weather patterns, ocean currents, and the shifting position of continents all played a role in the Sahara's desert transformation. Without the cooling effect of the ancient ocean, the Sahara region began to experience extreme temperatures. The climate became increasingly hot and dry, furthering the Sahara's evolution into a desert. Once a lush coastal environment, the Sahara underwent a slow but relentless shift toward aridity, a process that took millions of years and defined the desert we know today. This environmental change had a devastating impact on the life that once thrived in the ancient ocean and its shores. Marine creatures vanished as the ocean disappeared, leaving behind fossils in the Sahara's sands. For a time, the newly exposed land was not immediately a desert, but supported grasslands and new vegetation. The Sahara was once a lush savanna, filled with rivers and lakes, a stark contrast to today's arid desert. Early humans and diverse wildlife including giraffes, elephants, and crocodiles thrived in this green Sahara. But as the climate continued to dry, rivers evaporated, lakes shrank, and grasslands turned to sand, completing the desert transformation. Life that couldn't adapt or migrate vanished from the Sahara, leaving behind a barren landscape. Plants, animals, and people retreated to the edges of the expanding desert, gathering around water sources like the Nile River and oases. Great herds of savanna animals moved south, and only the hardiest desert plants survived the Sahara's harsh conditions. The Sahara's drying, which peaked just a few thousand years ago, reshaped life and human civilization in North Africa, leaving behind archaeological evidence of its ancient ocean past. The transformation of the Sahara from an ancient ocean to a vast desert is a powerful example of how climate change and geological forces can redefine entire landscapes in the course of history. The incredible story of the Sahara Desert is a testament to Earth's power of transformation. Once a vast ancient ocean, the Sahara has evolved through dramatic changes, becoming a lush green savanna before transforming into the world's largest hot desert. This journey from ocean to desert is a powerful reminder that the landscapes we see today, even the mighty Sahara, are just fleeting moments in our planet's ever-changing history. The Sahara's transformation from an ancient ocean to a desert is a lesson in Earth's dynamic nature. Mountains rise and erode, oceans appear and vanish, and climates shift in cycles that span millions of years. The Sahara's shifting sands are proof that our planet is always in motion, constantly reshaping itself through powerful geological and climatic forces. Evidence of this ongoing desert transformation is written in the rocks and soil beneath our feet. In the Sahara, and across the globe, we find marine fossils and ancient seabeds, clear signs that these deserts were once thriving oceans. Even the highest peaks of the Himalayas contain marine fossils, revealing that these rocks were once submerged beneath ancient seas. We also find evidence of massive ice sheets in regions that are now warm and temperate. These discoveries challenge our ideas of stability and highlight the Sahara's and Earth's history of dramatic environmental change. The Sahara's ability to transform, from an ancient ocean to a green savanna and then to a desert, is one of Earth's most fascinating features. Scientists studying the Sahara's past have discovered that changes in Earth's orbit, known as Milankovitch cycles, have triggered monsoon rains that periodically turn the desert green. This means the Sahara's desert transformation is not final. In the future, it could once again become a land of lakes and grasslands. The story of the Sahara Desert is still unfolding. Next time you see the endless dunes, remember the ancient ocean that once covered this land and the green savannas that followed. Imagine marine reptiles swimming where there is now only sand, and early humans painting giraffes on rocks in a lush landscape. The Sahara's transformation is a powerful example of Earth's ongoing change, a story of ancient oceans, desert formation, and the incredible forces that shape our world. Thank you so much for watching and exploring the Sahara's secrets with us. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories about our planet.